Do you know 80% of viewers drop off after the first 60 seconds of a video? Or maybe you've asked yourself, why do most educational videos flop? Spoiler, it's not because your content isn't valuable. It's because the delivery is. I am breaking down exactly how to create educational content that not only teaches, but keeps your viewers engaged and keeps them watching till the very end. Whether you're a teacher, a coach, content creator, this matters more than ever. Because if your viewer clicks away, that learning ends. Let's talk about what's not working in most educational videos. Flat delivery, static visuals or zero visuals, walls of text, no connection to the viewer's why, and maybe worst of all, no storytelling. The result? People zone out, they stop watching, and that brilliant lesson you created, it never lands. So, you're asking, how do we fix this? Here are 3 proven ways to make your educational videos binge-worthy. Number 1, use storytelling. Even in tutorials, anchor your content in a why or a journey. Let your viewers see themselves in the lesson you're teaching. Number 2, incorporate visuals and movement. This does not mean in any way that you need fancy editing, but even switching angles, using B-roll, or animated text keeps them engaged. Number 3, simplify your message. Too many creators over-explain everything. Just break it down. 1 concept per video, 1 takeaway per section. Clarity, my friend, equals retention. But let me tell you what your biggest game changer is going to be. Use your viewer feedback to improve every video. Post the first draft. Watch where people drop off in the analytics, read the comments, ask questions, and then adjust. Great educators are not just talkers, they're listeners too. Let your audience shape your content because the best way to teach is to learn how your people learn best. So here's my quick recap for you. Dull videos equals poor delivery, not poor content. Storytelling, visuals, and simplicity is going to give you engagement. And feedback, my friend, is your secret weapon. If you want your content to actually teach, it has to actually connect. Have you ever dropped off on an educational video? Drop a comment below and tell me why. I'd love to hear your take. And if you want more tips like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, make a connection.